The sequel follows. Hello, friends. This is the Eurasian Construction Equipment Plant channel. Today, I want to tell you about the orders we have taken, the countries we will be sending them to, and I'll start today with the machine we are going to Spain. Here we have them going into a control test right now. We've done the test assembly. We're going to test it now. We will be inserting such dense railroad springs between the dies to test their machine for strength. I mean, we clamp the springs and the machine will run all day. So by doing so, we will test the structure for strength and look at the pressure to make sure that the pressure does not exceed the limit. Also right here we have a machine that will go to Argentina, which is South America. We have already sent one machine to South America. It was the country of Honduras, and now this machine will go to Argentina. That is, as it turned out, a customer from Argentina came to our past customer in Honduras, looked at the machine, liked it very much, and they decided to place an order with us. So it turns out that the machines show themselves very well in operation. Our future customers visit our old customers, see the machine in operation, and order equipment from us. That is, it confirms that the machines actually perform all the functions possible. And we're very pleased that people are coming back to us. We also recently shipped the machine 1 to Turkey, and we will have a post-Karalatka event here soon. So subscribe to this channel. There will be a lot of interesting content. We'll be telling you how we train Turkish personnel on how to use our equipment. And I would like to say that we are intensively developing the international market, i.e. we have clients both from Russia and other countries. If you are from another country watching this video, naturally with subtitles, you too can join our customers and order a machine from us. I'm also standing in front of a big shtick like this for a reason. We have all the time, as you know by now, what's being ordered. Unusual coral geometry. This is for us to experience, and we fulfill these orders on time, and so you too can order not only machines from us, but also the segments and screw assemblies themselves. Conveyors, everything for agriculture. Confidently, this auger here is used to move parts. We've got it ordered. We're going to ship it. And right now there's a work in progress in the back end. The operator is continuously bending coils with us, so there are orders. The market is vast. And some people ask, how are we going to compete with you if you're already taking orders on the auger? We'll buy machines and we won't be able to take orders. The market is so huge that we can't handle it. Our company has probably only 5% of the total market for augers. There's still room for 7. So you can follow the link in the description to leave your application. The manager calls you and you will purchase either machines or augers. Goodbye.